Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to implement a day/night cycle in a Java-based game. This feature is essential for creating immersive experiences as it affects the visuals, gameplay, and even the behavior of non-playable characters. To begin with, we need to set up our Java development environment. Make sure you have JDK installed and your IDE, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, ready. We'll also need a game library, for which I recommend using JavaFX. Next, let's create a simple JavaFX application structure. Here's how you can define a main class for your game. This class will launch our game window. Now that we have a simple application set up, let's create parameters for our day/night cycle. A typical cycle might be 24 real-world minutes for a full cycle, so we will adjust our graphical elements accordingly. The next step involves creating a method to update the time and determine if it's day or night. We will also create colors for the sky to reflect these changes. We will call this getSkyColor method from an update function that runs in a game loop. The loop will adjust the current time and update the scene background accordingly. Now, let's create the game loop. In JavaFX, we can utilize a animation timer to create smooth updates. Here's how to set it up. Next, let's add some visuals to our scene to make the day/night cycle more engaging. We could add a sun and a moon that move across the screen. We'll create two shapes for these. To position the sun and moon correctly, we need to calculate their positions based on the current time. Here's how to do that. Now, let's combine everything in the main game loop. We need to include both the sky color update and the celestial body movements. It's time to see our day/night cycle in action. Run the application, and you'll notice the sky changing colors and the sun and moon moving across the screen. Play around with the timing and colors to customize your cycle. Before we wrap up, let's add some finishing touches. We may want to integrate sounds or effects that change based on the time of day. For instance, adding night sounds when it's night. We're nearing the end of our tutorial. Remember, the day/night cycle will greatly enhance your game's atmosphere. Experiment with the lengths, colors, and transitions to find what fits your project best. In conclusion, we've successfully created a day/night cycle in a JavaFX application. Don't forget to save your work. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.